Hello people. So it's Sunday morning, it's very quiet here, apart from the clock ticking there. Yes, this is my mt5, and yes, it is in my house. I understand that seems mental, but I really love this thing, and it's like brand new in every way. So there you go, it's in my office. Right, the reason I'm making a video is because, well, I just want to show how it starts. So what I'm going to do is, to show that it's freezing cold, I'm going to hold the exhaust manifold, as you can see there, which is freezing cold. It hasn't run for a couple of days. Cylinder head, freezing cold. And just want to show how I start it. So ignition on, that shows there we are, we're in neutral. Fuel is on, pull the choke out. This is how I start it. I don't even kick start it because the kick has got no scratches on and I don't want to scratch it. There we are. She's running. First kick, well, first hand job every time, hot or cold. I'm really going to miss this, but there's other things I want to buy, and you can't have everything. So let's turn the fuel off, choke in, and there you go. Choke in already. How about that?